What did this 19-year-old invent that caused him to win the top award at the largest pre-college science fair in the world? I'm Stephanie Essen, and you'll find out on this IDZ Weekly. What did you do when you were 19? Sit in your room and dream of inventing the next big sneaker company with your mom's waffle maker? Come up with an online interface where people can connect with others that they haven't seen in years, only to find out that Facebook was already invented? Well, 19-year-old Oliver Nichols from Sydney, Australia came up with something new by inventing an autonomous window cleaner for commercial buildings. He won first place and $75,000 at the Intel International Science and Engineering Fair. The machine is a drone-like device which is tethered to the roof of a building. It has mighty spray nozzles and rotating scrubbers to make any window bright and shiny. The device costs $2,300 to make, as opposed to the $11,000 cost of previous window cleaning methods. It also reduces the risk of injury in this sometimes dangerous field. No matter how young or old you are, it's never too late to come up with the next big idea. Maybe you can invent the autonomous window dryer? Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.